break it?
This episode of Garage Idiots, bug body has to come off one more time. We got 1000cc injectors. What we're gonna do on the bug body, you're gonna watch, so I'm not gonna explain that. This thing looks really cool without the body. Now that we've seen it with the body off, but now that it has all the piping, it looks killer. So we are for sure gonna drive it like this. So those are our 1000cc's, blah, blah, blah. Here we go.
Get off of it, Daddy! That's what it is.
I don't know how it has the power to move you around. It won't even do a burnout with you off it.
Yep. Oh no.
Worthless.
Delete those so when I get
No, this is all going up. You volunteered.
You gotta go work it.
Before your eyes lies 265,000 miles of dirt, grease, grime, abuse, America, and a whole lot of yucky. Coincidentally, a company named Super Clean reached out to us, wanted us to test their products, and we thought, perfect, we're disgusting people. Now, Greg here is spraying this wherever he does so please, because this motor is getting completely torn down, machined, and rebuilt, and he does not care about getting anything inside of the motor, but wants it cleaned before it goes in his shop and gets disassembled. We figured this would be the perfect motor to test their product on, because everything on the motor has been baked on there for years. Like I originally said, this motor has a ton of mileage on it, and this grease and dirt and oil has been baking on it for years. With a simple soak of their product and a power washer, it got about 90% of it off, which was a lot more than we had anticipated because there was so much built up on it. Now, if you're like me and you're an idiot, you spill oil in your shop all the time. Luckily, they also have floor absorbent, which worked very well. Now, the rest of my friend's car here is filthy, but his wheels are gonna look fantastic because they also have wheel cleaner. So these guys are doing us a solid. It's a new relationship. We're looking forward to working with them. Their products are great. So if you guys need any shop or car cleaning supplies, check them out at superclean.com. And now back to the video.
Yeah.
Guys, before the video continues, we made a huge mistake and want to apologize. We were too excited to try the new injectors, and we did not even think about seatbelts. This was stupid and irresponsible of us. Luckily, Dennis is safe and sound. Regardless, we are sorry. It won't happen again. Be safe. Do not try this at home. Looks like a beach buggy met a Batmobile.
Yeah.
Oh, his phone! Is that your phone? Oh, it's unscathed. It's good. Put that in your pocket,
Put that in your pocket.
Well, yeah, then give me your phone.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Crap, that was amazing. It bounced high, like a foot high.
I was like, I felt it go. I'm like, oh, the bodies. Oh, does it look cool?
Greg, because the K series, that is really strong. So I sold it to Greg because he wanted the motor, and then we found out how terrible this one is. So we're gonna buy it back. Suck it, Mike! That was cooking. You drive so far away.
What?
You drive so far away.
Oh, sorry.
How's it going?
Good.
That last one was scary.
Yeah. Trying to see. That hit limiter pretty fast.
Yeah,
that
dude.
last first gear.
Yeah.
Didn't feel like it because I don't have attack. I looked down. We're good. We're on 19 degrees. I gotta restart my computer because it's not recording the vlogs.
Greg, who stole your truck? Who stole your truck? Su padre. Oh, he's gonna be cooking on this one.
So,
Yeah. It looks quick.
it almost sounds like it was.
What's that?
I blew off a vacuum line. We had zip ties.
It sounds like it's almost slipping or something. It just revs up so fast.
Oh no. That could have been bad.
Woo, 6 pounds.
6? On a 4
Probably
pound
on
spring?
no
7 pound
timing.
spring.
Oh, we are
Yeah, I
on
haven't
7
known
pound?
time. I'm only on like 19 degrees.
Is that good?
No.
Oh,
I should be at like 21.
Yeah, you
22.
Can't, you can't make power on just boost alone. You have to bring.
yes you
timing.
can, we just did.
If you threw timing at this thing, it'd probably blow the fucking tires off. Like.
Yeah, I'm not going above like 22 degrees, especially on a pump gas.
I appreciate you being,
85.
you're tuning like I would. You're being very, very conservative and safe. Like I would, Greg. I
like that
I know
about
how to
you.
tune.
The last second year was going, like I didn't have room to stop. I was
Yeah, I told him because you backed up all the way. I was like, this one's gonna rip.
Was it quick?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm gonna stay that long.
Got on like 20 pounds on 85.
I'd be scared. And it hooks up so good. The tires in the back like hook up.
Yeah.
Like for how light it is. Yeah.
It sounds like it's either slipping or spinning a little bit because it's just like when it comes in, it's like what?
That's called
fuck?
VTEC.
No, VTEC engages at like 2,000
Yeah.
RPMs.
You're already in VTEC.
It came to the clutch.
I think that
I got-
tumbling spool's like
Yeah, I think it's
exceedingly
pulling,
well.
yeah.
I was
it
telling
just-
him, remember that guy that was going to give me a brand new twin disc competition? So when we
Yeah.
swap the motor out, we can throw that in. It's so, dude, it's so funny when you get into second gear and you grab your beanie.
That camera probably looks so funny. It goes, like, yeah, we're definitely not running out of room. So now we need
You can-
tail lights so I can tune up
can-
the highway or something.
No, now we're going to go to a dyno.
What?
You're going to
We're going to go to PFI. Oh yeah, we got big injectors. Make it shoot flames.
Alright,
You just blow it up now.
no.
Okay.
I'll blow it up now.
Add moss fuel. Give it the flame tune. Let's roast some weenies.
I bet it did real quick.
Sure. break it?
Maybe.
Oh, wait. It did pop out. Hang on. Hold that. That little, you want to shut it off? That little, yeah, the little clip that keeps it in place.
How's that though?
It was sick. I want you to do it
good.
again.
Alright.
Because it shot a flame, but I don't know if I got it on camera. And rather than checking, I'd rather you just do it again.
Way to go, Preston.
Sorry. Are there any tools in here?
No. Oh, it does now? It's good?
Yeah, Preston muscles. Launch it again.
We're good, go.
He was pretty pumped.
It sounds so good on the motor.
Yeah, it does.
I was scared. I was like, yeah, let's do it, whatever. So
We got a motor and trans now.
Yeah.
And a clutch.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we need to check that when we get back. It's not really on.
This thing's so fun. We don't even need that motor. This thing's great.
That one was ridiculous. I had rocks flying up at me, and I was like filming you like
Yeah, I was
this.
like, all right, let's go second gear. It didn't lag too bad either. It
No.
started going. I was like, yes, it's still spinning.
Yeah. Well done. Did you hear that? Honda.